Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.